Here's a quick step-by-step guide to help you to book your LanguageCert academic test online. First, head over to the LanguageCert website. From the top menu, click on Language Tests. Next, select Academic. Once you're on the page, click on Book a Test. You'll then be asked to choose your test type. Make sure to select the second option, Test Center. This option is available globally at approved test centers and is required for all Australian visa applications. Now choose your country and the city where you'd like to take the test. Next, answer whether you're planning to use your LanguageCert exam for an Australian visa application. After that, you can browse and select your preferred test date and time slot. As indicated on the screen, the test can be divided into two parts: written, which includes listening, reading and writing, and speaking. The candidates may choose to complete both the sections on the same day or a separate date within the 14 days period. Once you've chosen your schedule, add it to your cart. Register on the LanguageCert website and complete the account creation by filling in the required details. Share the additional details for registration, such as your identity and address details. Then share the consent and click on Go to Cart to complete your purchase. At the checkout page, don't forget to add your exclusive partner promo code to receive your discount. Finally, proceed for payment and complete your booking. And that's it. You're all set to take your LanguageCert academic test. All the best for your test, and have a nice day.